8 Sleep Pod Pro Max pricing explained what you get for your money. Imagine a mattress that knows when you're too hot, too cold, or not getting deep enough sleep and adjusts automatically. That's the promise of the 8 Sleep Pod Pro Max. But at a premium price tag, what exactly do you get for your money? Pod Pro Max starts around $295 for queen size, making it one of the most advanced sleep systems in the world. Most people get this wrong. They think it's just a cooling mattress. But it's actually a complete sleep optimization system powered by technology. The bed uses sensors to monitor your sleep stages, heart rate, breathing rate, and movement in real time. It then adjusts the bed's temperature automatically on each side, warming or cooling you throughout the night for optimal rest. You also get a sleep fitness score every morning, showing how restorative your sleep was. The Max model adds Comfort Blend foam layers for better support and the most precise temperature control of any smart bed on the market. Through the app, you can track trends, compare performance over time, and even integrate with other health platforms like Apple Health or Fitbit. So, what do you get for your money? A bed that not only helps you sleep comfortably but helps you sleep smarter, optimizing temperature, tracking recovery, and personalizing rest like a digital sleep coach. If you value performance, precision, and the science of better rest, the 8 Sleep Pod Pro Max is luxury sleep technology at its finest.